Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I just did a get ready with me / chit chat about my life and things that's been going on, a little bit of stuff about me. I talked about K-Con, I talked about K-pop, I talked about YouTube beef and drama. So if you want to know, just keep on watching. And also thank you guys so much for 170 views on my latest YouTube video of me reacting to BTS new album. What? It was a latch sticking to my phone. Right now, it's at 171 views. So I'm so happy about that. Thank you guys so much. I did not expect that many views. I also talk about that in this video. And in the video I posted today, which is Saturday, June 2nd, I was just talking about how those videos are pre-filmed, so I don't have time to be saying that. Thank you guys so much. That's what I'm saying in this video, and I'm really happy about that. Thank you guys so much for 26 subscribers. Also, I know it's not much, but it's a lot to me because I didn't expect someone to actually subscribe to my channel. But yeah, I'm sorry this is so long. Just keep on watching. You want to see me get ready and talk to you guys and everything. Bye. So today I'm gonna be doing a chit chat, get ready with me, and I'm talking about my lifestyle. I'm sorry I keep on. That's annoying. But yeah, I'm about to just do my eyeshadow right now. But also I'm gonna try to make this like a little get to know me a little bit. So if you don't know, I'm 16 years old and I'm currently in the 10th grade. Of course, this is my I'm going to the 11th grade next year. And you have 1 week of full school left, and then the week after that is finals. And for finals, there are only 3 days, so like 2 periods a day. So for my first period, for the first day of finals, I have chemistry and Spanish. I don't think I'm gonna pass the chemistry one, just cause I just don't think I can. Like, it's a lot of work. I know it's like getting to school, but like chemistry, like school, I used to think I was so smart, so I got to high school and I was like, there's people smarter than me. Let me sit down and be humble. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna pass the chemistry one because there's so many people, not just because of that, and because I'm not trying to say I didn't study well, but I really thought I was gonna get a 6 on this summative, or like some of these are formative in my school. It's like some of these are your grades, some of these are practice, basically. So I really thought I was gonna get a 6 on there because I studied the day before and the night before, and I really only got a 3. A 3 is like a 60%. That's basically barely passing, and I was so upset about that. Like, I really believed I deserved like not a 3. I believe I deserved something better than that, but she gave me a 3, and I'm just like, girl, I did not deserve no freaking 3. Even though some of the answers were wrong. It wasn't even that many wrong answers. Like, she gave us way too many 1-2 questions, honestly. Like, why are the 1-2 questions why is it so much? And then it's a lot just to get to 3-4. But other than that, in Spanish, I think I'm gonna pass Spanish. I mean, Spanish not that hard, honestly. I just gotta pay attention and stop going to sleep in her class. I mean, she already know I'm smart in Spanish. That's why she be like, stop going to sleep, because like, you smart. But I be tired. Like, I be too tired. And the day after that, after Spanish, I have, what do I have? Oh, U.S. history. I don't know if I'm gonna pass that or not. I mean, it's not hard, but I don't study for this class, so maybe that's what I need to do. And after U.S. history, I mean, the teacher's cool. He really cool. But I just don't study for his class. Sorry if you hear that in the background. They're annoying. Also, and after history, I have English. And English final, I don't know what it is, honestly. We just finished our book that I was watching God. And I mean, I didn't read the ending, but I looked it up on Spark Notes. I was on chapter 17. I looked it up on Spark Notes. I was like, my best friend, she been spoiled and was like, oh yeah, Janie shot tea cake. And I was like, why? She's like, I'm not gonna tell you. But now I realize why, because I read the Spark Notes thing. Because I had to do a summative yesterday. One thing about my school is everything, most of the stuff is online, except for finals. It depends on your teacher for finals, whether you got submitted online or not. Another thing about my school is that, I never went to summer school, and I don't plan on going to summer school. Because, it's summertime. Who wants to go to school in the summertime? And I'm dying right now because the air conditioner is off. And the air conditioner is right here. And I don't want to turn it on because it makes too much noise and it's annoying. Like, if I'm talking over it, I don't want to do that. And after English, I have geometry. Honestly, I already know I'm going to fail geometry. Like, I got summative in geometry Monday. And that I can't do because I got to go to my brother's graduation. So, yeah, I'm going to be staying up to school all week. And next week is supposed to be the week for studying, but they want to be giving somebody. It's like, how does that work? How are we supposed to prepare for a final if y'all keep giving somebody the week before? That don't make any sense. I got a summative in math and a summative in Spanish Monday that I can't go to because I'm going to my brother's graduation. So I gotta go after school. I didn't even go to school Friday because I had to go somewhere too. Oh my god, I sound so busy, but I'm not. And I hate staying after school. But at least the bus won't be that packed. And my last period is technology, like I said before I was really interrupted. And I think I'm gonna pass. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna pass. It's honestly fun in technology. Well, not fun because I still remember my friends, but it's not that hard, honestly. And thank you guys so much for 170 views on my BTS video. Yo, I did not expect it to get that many views. Honestly, when I made that video of me reacting to BTS new album while I did my makeup, I did not expect anybody to care. I thought people was gonna be like, oh, we don't care, or not even get that many views. But it honestly got a lot, and I was so surprised. But honestly, I watched Coco yesterday, I'm pretty sure, and it was so inspiring and cute. They put it on Netflix, of course, because it went out in theaters, and I never went to see it. But I watched it yesterday, and I loved it. It was so cute. Oh, look how I just fall out. It was so cute. I was like, oh, this is too cute. So yeah, I'm gonna do an inspired look by Coco. Pepita, which is the spirit guide for Coco's great grandmother, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna do an inspired look for her because she was very powerful. Well, it was very powerful. And honestly, if you didn't watch it, I'm sorry if I'm gonna spoil anything for you. But Archie is literally a punk. Why is he is really a kiss up to Hiram Lodge. Okay, I get that that's Veronica father and you wanna be in a good with him. But you literally about to do anything for him. Like, are you dating him over Veronica, honestly? Oh yeah. So, if y'all don't know, I like K-pop. If you don't know that, then like, hi, welcome to my channel. Oh, that's my gosh. So, oh yeah, my uncle bought my tickets to KCON New York. Yeah. Which is actually in New Jersey. That makes no sense at all. Like, I thought it was gonna be in New York. Cause my uncle's cousin, aunt, she lives in New York. So he's like, oh yeah, I'm about to take it for you and her, so let's go together. I mean, she don't like K-pop, but and also, I don't know if you guys know this, but I pre-film most of my videos. Like, a lot of my videos, honestly. Like, every video now. Like, you see this background, I pre-filmed this. So, like, in my last videos that just went up this weekend and today, it's going up this. It already went up today because I scheduled them now. But, like, the one that went up today, I didn't get a chance to thank you guys for 170 views. That's what I'm saying in here. So don't think I didn't care. That was pre-filmed. I've been filming that. I've been filming a lot of videos, but I just be like, when do I post this? When do I post it? And also, sorry for some weeks. Like, I usually try to post like Saturday and Sunday. But sometimes I would just be so overwhelmed with school. I just have no time to record a video. That's why I'm recording this video right now. And I'm surprised I have time to record this because I have been working on a fence outside my house with my uncle and them, because we were building a fence because it's a lot of people that like come over and throw trash in our yard and stuff, and we don't like that. Like, who would like to clean up after another person that's dirty like that? Like, who does that? No. So yeah, and this is so much work. I swear, I was outside. We had to chip the wood and stuff. Like, and then it's like one piece by one piece, like one board at a time. So that was a lot of work. And I'm surprised right now that I get to do this, because I would have thought he would be like, come on, let's go outside and work. But no, he didn't. Not today. But that actually made me quite happy because not today, Satan. Also, oh yeah, so KCON New York. I'm sorry that this is all over the place, but KCON New York, I'm excited to go. Like, obviously the main reason I want to go is because NCT 127. I can't wait to see them there, especially Mark. Yo, Mark is my bias if you didn't know. I love Mark. He's so cute. Like, his face he has a baby face, but at the same time, it's kind of like, it's handsome at the same time. I don't even know how to describe his face, but he looks so good. He can rap. I love him. And he works so hard. He's in 3 groups. I mean, 3, units. And I'm just like, wow. Like, he got money. Even though I'm not a go there. Go back to the K-pop thing I was about to talk about. My family. So, Sehun from EXO, he on this little Netflix original show called Busted or whatever, and honestly, he seemed really shy. My uncle be like, oh wow, he just there to be a pretty face and everything, but no, he was smart. He's doing stuff. But then, like, the latest episode I seen, I think it was 6 or 7, and Wendy was on there from Red Velvet. I'm just like, like, I do not like Wendy from Red Velvet. If you don't understand why I don't like her, you can watch my things I don't understand about K-pop video, which I will link down below, and you won't understand why. Basically, she keeps imitating black women and being very, like, stereotypical, and like, no black woman acts like that in reality. That's like a stereotype. She keeps like promoting stereotypes on black women. Okay, so now the lashes are finally on after 20 years. They're really natural, so you can barely see them. But yeah, that's how they look. I need to fix the top of my eyeliner low because it really got messed up. So now I'm gonna do my natural face makeup, which I already did a video on my everyday makeup, and I'm gonna link that down below. But before I do that, I'm gonna spray my face. And the lineup for, cause I bought the Sunday KCON tickets, so it's June 24th. So it's Exit from Is 9. I don't know them. I know Exit though. I love that song. Dirt, 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 dirt. But I don't really like Lady that much. Golden Child, I don't know them. NCT, you know I love NCT and 101. So basically, before the concert, I want to get to know From Is 9, Golden Child, and 101. I heard about 101 a lot. I heard that they was disbanded now, so maybe I should get into them. And also, the video that I did of me reacting to BTS album while I did my makeup, I'm gonna make that a series. And I'm pretty sure nobody else did something like that before, like reacting to an album while they did their makeup. And I'm pretty sure I'm the first person that ever thought of that and did that. Well, I don't want to be like that, but like, well, I have never seen a video like that other than mine. So that's gonna make a series. Like, Shiny recently came back. I mean, I don't stand Shiny because I don't really know them like that. Like, I like that one song called Replay. I mean, it's an old song, you know. It was their debut song. But I don't really stand them. And I don't know how I feel about them. Because, I mean, obviously, Taemin is in there. I love Taemin. I stand Taemin. I stand Taemin hard. But, I mean, what's his name? It's one of them that's really cute. But, honestly, Taemin isn't my bias in Shiny. And I still don't have a job. So, I'm still broke. And I'm literally running low on makeup removal wipes. So, yikes. I mean, I'm gonna have to make a lot of talking videos. I wasn't that confident in my YouTube channel at first. Like, my views weren't that good. Like, my subscribers weren't going up. And they barely are going up, honestly. But when I posted my BTS video, that really gave me a lot of hope as I saw the views. And I'm not trying to say views are everything. But I don't want to just be making videos for no reason. Like, I want people to actually watch the video, comment, like it, tell me how they feel about it. Or else it's like, it's no point, because I'm trying to, like, get out there in the world, but nobody cares. And I guess that's like a step all YouTubers went through. Like, oh yeah, nobody really cares about my YouTube videos. Oh yeah, I know what I'm about to talk about. So for finals week is 3 days. I don't know whether or not I should do my makeup every day. I mean, I'm obviously gonna do what I wore. Maybe I should. Well, actually, Rachel Cantu did this video where she did eyeshadow every day for a week for school. So I'm just thinking about doing that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more videos like this. Don't forget to follow my social medias, which will be linked down below, and watch my latest YouTube videos that are also linked down below. And I'm just really grateful for you guys. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say. Just thank you. Bye.